welcome back for my final morning report chart appraisal on Monday 13th of November with me, Japan market analyst at Hantec markets. We're going to look at gold, which still giving off mixed signals, isn't it? It just doesn't really want to do anything really, gold at the moment. Every time it looks as though it's sort of gaining a little bit of traction, it sort of fails again. And that's what we saw on Friday. We saw a move to 1288, seemingly getting ready for sort of a test of this overhead resistance of 1291 and then possibly even up to 1300 again. But no, we've seen the market rolling back. But not only that, we've seen the market rolling back and then bouncing again. So even when you get the negative signals, which to be honest, Friday's negative downside candle of sort of $11 to the downside was the biggest downside candle that we've seen in a couple of weeks. Even when you get that, you start to get a bounce again. So you're not getting anything really, I think, off this chart. And you sort of look at the momentum indicators and pretty much tells you that much. 52 to 38. So really, really small ranging moves just for several weeks really on gold, on the momentum indicators on the RSI. Similar story as well with the MACD lines as well. So yeah, you're sort of still looking, I think, for the next signal. You've got this rolling over at 1288.30, as I said. Sharp downside move. Found a bit of support today, and then you start to think, well, where's the next level on the upside? Well, you'd say this pivot at around 1282. It's not exact as a pivot, but it's sort of 1282 to 1284. This pivot is something to certainly pay attention to if you rally up towards it. But to be honest, it's just so up and down gold. It's just not doing anything to give you any real sense of direction. 1273 Friday's low, bit of a rebound since then. That makes that support, and then you start to sort of look back a little bit further. 1265 and then 1263. But yeah, I mean it's really is up and down, lacking any real conviction. Yeah, that just makes gold very difficult to trade at the moment, and to get any real sort of decisive profit out of is quite difficult. So with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you again tomorrow. Thank you.